How to use focus mode on iPhone for productivity. Step 1. Go to settings, then tap focus. You'll see default modes like do not disturb, work, sleep, and personal. Tap work or create new focus tailored for productivity. Step 2. Choose people and apps allowed to reach you while focus is on. This keeps distractions minimal. Only essential contacts and apps like notes or calendar will come through. Step 3. Tap Add Schedule or Automation. You can enable focus automatically during certain times, locations, or apps usage. For example, every weekdays from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Step 4. You can manually enable it from Control Center. Just swipe down from the top right, tap Focus, and choose your productivity mode. Step 5. Combine focus mode with app limits and notification summaries for even more control. You'll notice improved focus, better time management, and less screen fatigue. So that's it.